subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Huawei sub-brand Honor is reported to launch two new devices under X series in China called Honor X10 Pro and X10 Pro Max. Recently, a new Honor phone was spotted on Chinese certification site Tina, which is expected to be Honor X10 Pro. The listing reveals the renders of the upcoming phone along with some key specifications. According to Tina listing, the Honor X10 Pro will support a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a hole punch at the top left corner that will include a 32-megapixel selfie camera. At the back, the smartphone will feature a quad camera setup with periscope lens and LED flash in a squarish module. The quad ray cameras will include one 40-megapixel main camera, and unfortunately, the other three camera details were not mentioned. The phone is listed to come powered by an unnamed Octa-core 2.58 GHz processor, which is expected to be Kirin 985 chipset. The device will pack with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of internal storage. On the software front, the handset will run on Android 10 and it will come equipped by 3900 mAh battery. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is listed to measure at 160.34 by 74.18 by 8.47 mm and it will weight around 185 grams. Apart from this, there is no other details of Honor X10 Pro has leaked so far. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Honor X10 Pro smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.